हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ग्लोबल कॉमर्स एकेडमी। और आज के वीडियो में हम लेबर लॉ से रिलेटेड एमसीक्यूज को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। सो आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, एज पर द फैक्ट्रीज एक्ट 1948, adolescent means a person who has completed his 15 year of age but has not completed his 21 year. This statement is true or false? So here the correct answer is this statement is false because जो adolescents के लिए जो मिनिमम एज क्राइटेरिया जो होता है वो 15 ईयर, मोर देन 15 ईयर होना चाहिए, बट लेस देन 18 ईयर से 18 ईयर से कम होना चाहिए। सो यहाँ पे 21 नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे 18 होगा, तब ये स्टेटमेंट ट्रू होता, अदरवाइज ये स्टेटमेंट अभी फॉल्स है। सो हेयर द 18 ईयर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, which of the following are essential element of a factory? There is option A is there must be premises, B there must be a manufacturing process being carried on at the premises, and C there must be 10 or more workers where the manufacturing process is being carried on with the aid of power, and D is their electronic data processing units are installed. So here the correct answer is A, B and C. There must be a premises, and number B, there must be a manufacturing process being carried on the premises, and next is there must be 10 or more workers where the manufacturing process is being carried on. So answer option A, B and C is the correct answer of question number 2. Next, question number 3. Here, piece rate workers are considered workers as per the definition of workers in the Factories Act 1948. So this statement is true or false? So here the correct answer is true. This statement is true. Piece rate workers are considered worker as per the definition of workers in the Factories Act 1948. Next, question number 4 is, which authorities carry out the administration of the Factories Act 1948 under the supervision of the state government? So here the options are, option number A is inspecting staff, B is certifying surgeons, C is labor officer, and D is safety officer. So here the correct answer is A, B and D. Inspecting staff, certifying surgeons and safety officers, which are authorities carried out the administration of the Factories Act 1948 under the supervision of state government. So A, B and D is the correct answer. Next, question number 5. What is the minimum number of workers required in a factory for the mandatory appointment of a safety officers? Option number A is more than 100, B more than 500, C more than 1000, and D is less than 1000. So here, less than 750, sorry. So here the correct answer is more than 1000. More than 1000 minimum number of workers required in a factory for the mandatory appointment of safety officers. So correct answer is option number C, more than 1000. Next, question number 6. To which authority can appeals be made if the chief inspector does not grant a license to a factory? So your options are, option number A is state government, B central government, C state licensing appellate, and D is factories commissioner. So here the correct answer is option number A, state government. Next, question number 7. Which of the following provisions do not come under the welfare chapter in the Factories Act 1948? So here options are, option number A washing facilities, B drinking water, C facilities for sitting, and D first aid appliance. So here the correct answer is वॉशिंग फैसिलिटीज़ को फैक्ट्रीज एक्ट के अंदर जो वेलफेयर प्रोविजंस है उसमें इंक्लूड नहीं किया जाता, और जो अदर्स हैं ड्रिंकिंग वाटर फैसिलिटीज़ फॉर सिटिंग एंड फर्स्ट एड अप्लायंस, इन सारी चीज़ों को इंक्लूड किया जाता है. सो हियर द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. हु इज़ द चेयरमैन ऑफ साइट अप्रेजल कमेटी? So here options are chief factory officer of the state. Second, chief inspector of the state. Third, chief labor officer of the state. And fourth, chief welfare officer of the state. So here the correct answer is option number B, chief inspector officer of the state is the chairman of the site appraisal committee. Next question is question number 9. What is the maximum number of hours in a week that an adult worker is allowed to work for? So here options are 35 hour, 40 hour, 45 hour and 48 hour. So here the correct answer is ऑप्शन नंबर डी 48 आवर जो है मैक्सिमम नंबर्स हैं विद इन अ वीक जो है एक एडल्ट वर्कर्स को इतने 48 आवर्स ही वर्क करने की जो है उससे उतने ही 48 आवर ही वर्क करना अलाउड रहता है. सो हियर द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी 48 आवर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Who is liable to pay the fee for a certificate of fitness? जो फैक्ट्री के अंदर सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ फिटनेस प्रोवाइड किया जाता है उसके लिए कौन लाइबल होता है फी पे करने के लिए? तो सो है द ऑप्शंस आर द ऑक्यूपायर ऑफ द फैक्ट्री, बी द पर्सन हिमसेल्फ, सी द पर्सनस गार्जियन एंड डी द ट्रेड यूनियन. सो है द करेक्ट आंसर इज द ऑक्यूपायर ऑफ द फैक्ट्री. जो फैक्ट्री का ऑक्यूपायर है वो लाइबल होता है जो भी सर्टिफिकेट है फिटनेस का वो प्रोवाइड करने के लिए. सो here the option number A is the correct answer. So friends, if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.